Hello! Okay, so hopefully today is the day we actually finish creating new orders, or finish the process of creating new orders in the program. So I made some slight changes in the meantime. Most importantly, I fixed the UI that shows when you actually cancel orders, because in the previous version, or previously, it just didn't show anything. So that's changed, so I'll show that real quick. Juggler. Okay, so now it prints information about the order as well. Now, right now, also I did some... Oh, it crashes, of course, if you just press list like this, because I added somewhere here. Yeah, button list click. So this is called whenever you click the list button. So right now it just tries to list the card. Now obviously the reason it crashed just now is because the wallet wasn't unlocked and there's no check in here to make sure that it is unlocked, or whether to check whether or not it is unlocked. So it just tries to post the order, but of course if the wallet is still encrypted then it will just fail. So that's why the program just crashed. So we'll have to make that sort of similar to this. Now we can sort of show in the first place what it looks like if we just unlock the wallet. Before, so right now it just creates an order for 1000 of whatever currency you have selected. So we'll quickly set the ETH. So if we click list, oh, I just clicked. Yeah, so we get an order, a new order created. And now also when I open orders, it should say one listed. Also, it no longer shows anything here. You have to cancel orders to make them available to list. And what I want to do is make it so that you can modify the orders from this screen. So you can just click like one of your own orders. There should be like a button for modifying them. And then you can just change the order from here. Makes more sense than to have new orders overriding older ones, I think. So also we should be able to see that it's on sale now. If we just check, yeah, so it's on sale for 1090 ETH, so including the fee, of course, it's 1090. So now when we cancel it, unlike previously, yeah, so this one needs to go. Also, yeah, so we didn't get asked for our password, of course, because the wallet is just unlocked at the moment. We do need to hide this, though, because right now it also converts the price that you type into USD, so you can see the buyer price in US dollars. So first of all, let's see if we can hide the actual USD price on the UI. This one. Probably here. Oh. There we go. And then restore it, of course, here. There we go. Oh, this is still opened. Great, so it cancels the active orders, and when I go back, it's available for listing again. So yeah, so first thing that should change, of course, it should use the actual sell price from within this box. The other currencies do work, by the way. If I click list on here, and it does in fact get listed in God's tokens. I need to look into why it doesn't close the program when the window is closed. But we'll look into that a little bit later. Or perhaps, actually, I think I'm probably going to do that off stream when I just clean up the program. This is not super interesting, probably. Yeah, but let's see. So first of all, make the listing process a little bit more similar to the canceling of orders. So first of all, hide elements. Should be called here. Yeah, we should make the spinner visible also. This is okay for when there's no wallet connected, though of course you shouldn't be able to get to this point if you don't have a wallet connected, just to be sure. Oh. We'll do like load wallet. Okay, so now we get to what it actually should be doing. So first of all, we should be getting the number of cards that needs to be sold. So for now, we'll comment this part out. And we'll just print some information about what we're going to be doing. This can go here. Quantity. Selected item. Now, I do want to see what happens when when we don't have any cards available to sell. So what that looks like. Go. So how do we have it on sale right now, actually? Yeah, we do. Okay, that's good. Okay, so it's just empty. Now I should try and see. How do we parse an integer? Why do I forget these like really easy things? This should be very easy. C# convert to int. I mean, I should know this. I should know this by now. Okay, so there is a float.parse. int32.parse, okay. We go. Okay, so now first we want to check what kind of error it comes up with, so we can catch it. Let's see. Okay. Argument null exception. Valid selection, something like that. Invalid data. Hang on, I should be catching this. What the hell? Oh, of course. There we go. Now it should work. Now we should be doing the same thing with the price. And we should be using the sell price as well as the reduce fee button. I mean, we'll get it for now. We're not going to use it for now. We'll implement this a little bit later. But we should at least like get if it's checked or not. If this works. Yeah, well, of course. Guess we have to unlist this first. Okay. Okay, that seems to be working. Okay, so lastly we needed the reduce fee checkbox. Oh, hang on. It's not a function. I mean, that should always have a value. There we go. Right. Okay, that's good. I don't want this to be a float though, that should be a double. There we go. That's better. Okay, so now we can use this method again. We don't even use token ID, or no, we do use it. Of course, that comes from the card. Now, for a second there I was thinking we had to convert the token name into the address of the token, but we don't need to. That's done in the sell card method. Just to go over what that looks like. So this just creates a new task and calls IMX sell NFT, which is this method right here. Yeah, which is just passes it to the IMX lib library with the address, ID, token ID, price, fees, fee count, and then private key and the buffer for storing the result. So that's also, of course, why it fails if the private key is encrypted still, then this obviously doesn't work. Yeah, so this is just the address at which NFT or God's Unchained cards are hosted. You can also see that here if we look at Immune to Scam. It's the same address that we see here. Oh. One sec. Okay, back. Let's see. So overall this should work already, I think. Yeah, but we need to make sure that the wallet is unlocked and offer an opportunity to unlock the wallet if it isn't. So same as here. Okay. Now there should also be a check here somewhere to make sure that we're not modifying an order that has already been placed. So what we should do, first of all, this is okay. So it unlocks the wallet, and it should relock the wallet after everything is done. Wait, hang on. That's not really how we want to do this, I don't think. Yeah, this is also wrong. Hang on. Because right now it relocks the wallet after every single sale, or after every single order cancelled. So obviously we don't want to do that either. So probably what we should do here actually is move the unlock So this part should be moved before here. Yeah, and then we move the relocking here also. There we go. And we should be doing the same here. So right before we loop through our cards, we should request the wallet be unlocked. Then we loop through here and unlock and place the orders, and then we relock the wallet here. There we go. Of course, currently it still lists everything. Go to juggler. So you want to list this for this much, like 1 ETH. Yeah, so very close to 1 ETH. Of course, there's always a very small rounding error here, but that's fine. Okay, let's see. So that part works at least. Now we need to make sure, first of all, that the card that we are selling isn't already on sale. We actually have code for that already somewhere here. Could be in here. So it's orders, sell orders. Actually, we might want to transfer another card, another aspect juggler to this wallet, so that we can have two, so we can see how it works with when we only list 1 out of 2. So let's do that real quick. My main wallet. Let's see, so we'll transfer a aspect juggler, and we'll transfer it to this wallet, I believe it is. Right? 23DC, 23DC, yeah. Yeah, we'll transfer it. And that's all we need to do. So now we should have 2 aspect jugglers. Yep, we do. Which we should also be able to see here. Yeah, so now we can sell either 1 or 2. But right now it doesn't really matter whether or not we do 1 or both, because it always lists both. So that's kind of the first thing we will want to change. So we'll do cards. We'll increment this by 1. We'll do while. We'll do if stat or equals 2 sell quantity break. Now, I think right now we'll do console line card. Okay, so it listed 1. Just like I asked it to do. Yeah, that's fine. Now, when I do this again, it should actually list the second one, but that's not what it's going to do right now. Because if I do 2 ETH right now, it lists again. I think it's just going to update this one to 2 ETH. Yeah, exactly. Which of course is not what it should be doing. Also, what I should do here is make the windows visible again. Yeah, that's fine for now. Wait, no, I didn't check if it actually did what I wanted it to. Got distracted a little bit there. Yeah, no, of course I did actually see it earlier as well. Okay, but that part works. So now what we should be doing is making sure that when it is already on sale, when it has an orders, so we'll try to get orders, sell orders. And we'll see if it exists. We'll skip it. Okay, so let's see if this works now. So I think no, it didn't. No, it did. It just for some reason didn't update in time. So now this one is on sale for 1 ETH. Yeah. Okay, so now I should be able to just unlist all of them. We'll move this for now so we can keep it unlocked. And I should be able to list either one or both of them. So I can list 2, let's say. That works. Now this should fail. Ah, okay, so there should be a check at the end to make sure we actually listed as many as we wanted. So if So let's see if that at all fits. I'm kind of hoping it automatically pushes it to the next line, but I'm not exactly sure how this is going to behave, so we'll have to see. What went wrong? Yeah. Can't copy, what is this? Oh, this just doesn't update. But it's good enough, we can at least check what happens. Yeah, okay, so it doesn't push it to the next line. So we should resize this so that it actually fits a little bit better. Okay, so hang on, if I make it larger. Should do is should be an align thing. So that should be aligned to the top then. Then we can just move this down, something somewhere like here, or like here even. I need to implement a check to make sure that you're not selling it for way cheaper than the lowest price. So there should be some sort of comparison to these offers. Because I feel like one of these, like I could make a mistake here and accidentally leave this at 0 and just hit list and then the card will be gone. So of course we want to avoid that. Okay. Now let's see what happens when we do this again. Okay, so it doesn't work actually. Is there an option for a word or a word wrap somewhere? Let's see. How does it handle this? Yeah. Label, word wrap. Auto size, okay. Okay, I'm not seeing that option. Why is that? It's something we can do in the code. There's no option for it, so how do we use that? Okay, we're gonna instead, since it seems like the labels don't support grep. Oh. We'll have to make it shorter. Oh. Wrong file. And we just set this to something smaller, like 12 or something. Like how large is the font size now? Size 18. Set this to like 15, 14. That's fine. Oh, then it does need to change the font size back, of course, afterwards. So let's make sure we do that. There we go. Okay, that's better. Now let's see. First of all, I want it to cancel automatically if the price is 0. It should never sell for 0. So first of all, let's comment out the actual part where it actually creates the sale. Hang on, let's first check. Let's make a check real quick to see if it actually sold. Okay, so that's also an error. We'll leave it like this for now. Oh. Okay. So now next, we'll see what happens if we remove that. So to simulate it not working. Try to list 2 and it should only list 1 now because it should fail on the first, or at least think that it failed on the first. Okay, so that also needs to be a little bit smaller. Yeah, we can already see that it did list actually list 1. So we'll change the size to like 16 probably. Restore server error. Yeah. Of course, here it did actually work just fine. Okay, so that works. There we go. Okay, so first of all, we should ensure that the sell price is not 0. So now we'll make it so that it actually doesn't list anything ever. Just doing this. Okay. So now no orders are ever created. Let's check just to make sure real quick. Yeah, it stays at 0 listed always. Yeah. Okay, great. So this is good for experimenting. So now we can first of all see if... Just make sure that the price is not 0. Where is it? Yes. Set this to 14 or something. Okay, I'm starting to think that maybe we should actually be using a text block here, just so that it supports the word wrap. Because this is very annoying where it's like, where you get this like cut off. You know what? Actually, I think it's fine, because for the other ones, we're just going to use a confirmation window in a separate thing. This isn't gonna do anything. Okay, good. So that's one thing. So next, we should actually check with the prices of other listings to see if the price we entered is reasonable. So we're probably going to be doing that after we add a after we implement the lowest price button. So I'm thinking what we should do here is actually have like some sort of task or something to get the orders from just we need a way to store the orders. That's basically what it comes down to. Let's see. By the way, how long have I been streaming? 1 hour, okay. So I'm getting a little hungry, so probably not going to continue for too much longer. Though maybe I'll just take a break and come back in like half an hour or something. But for now, let's continue. Okay, let's see. So here we fetch orders, or we fetch an order book. So we essentially should be doing this 3 times and then just storing the orders. Like, yeah, 50 is fine. Okay. So this is something we should actually do during our setup. Probably somewhere around the top here. So we should be creating a few tasks here. So right before we get to this await method here. Maybe actually even higher up. Maybe right before here, actually. So what we should do is... just loop through the, let's see, the currency dot items. Yeah, we'll loop through item. What's this called? What? Items control. Okay. Okay, hang on. Okay. Wait, no, this is stupid because we only have 3, and what I want to do is just create 3 things. Oh wait, no, it's fine. This is fine actually. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah. Now, this shouldn't be called during every setup. We'll do a fetch orders method. We'll do it here. You can leave the token out, I think, yeah. Oh crap. Copy and paste this, move everything back. Okay, that's better. Make this like 10. It's more than enough. We'll call this order book. Better actually. Okay. It's gonna just be a void actually. This should just run instantly. It should just get all the items and then fetch them that way, and then they should be fetched when, well, asynchronously. We still have this. Yeah. Okay. Good. So now we need to try and use those once we actually try to list a card. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, what went wrong? Oh. Oh. Yeah? It says unlisting cancel. That's also should be corrected. But first of all, let's just go over this quick. So we have our order book. Why does this not work? I need to clean this up a little bit. Actually, if there's no orders, then I kind of just want to continue. So let's change it like this. Yeah, so now it goes down. Wrong way. Okay, so now we'll do this. And now it starts at the cheapest. Great. Okay. I just cast this to double, actually. Does that work? Yeah. Works fine. Minor dot is smaller than 0.7 times cheapest. Sure. For now, we'll just cancel, but of course later on we'll have an additional window to confirm if this is the case. So let's say I do 0.00. Offer price too low. Yeah. I do the same as this, so 0.000004. Now it works. Okay. So that is some nice progress, but for now I think that'll be it for me. I'm going to get something to eat. Maybe I'll be back in a few hours, but yeah, so pretty decent progress for now. Of course, once I get everything kind of working, I will be cleaning up the code to make it look a little bit nicer and easier to read. Like for now, I'm not really commenting anything, so but that's something I'll do off stream. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed.